Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This weekend, Ben, Luna, and I packed up some gear, grabbed cold drinks, and headed out for a hot weekend escape to Wild River State Park. The temps were in the 90s, and we made the most of it, hiking on shady trails, dipping our toes in our kiddie pools, and chasing every bit of breeze we could find. Come along for some unconventional fun in the sun with my two favorites, Ben and Luna. But first, a word from our sponsor, my husband, Ben.
What up, vlog squad? This is me and my wife, Jocelyn, dude. We're out here while we were camping, dude.
I'm going to put that in there. I think tonight we're going to try and sleep without the rain fly on. I think we'll be okay. I don't think there's supposed to be any rain. Got our bed all set up. Got our canopy all set up. And now we're going to go say hi to my friends who are right next door.
What camera is that, Mamamito?
It's a different one.
Mamamito, you have 3 cameras? Really?
What do you think, Looney? Hi! A little hot, though, huh? Good morning. It is probably going to be a hot one today. Hot and humid. But really, what do you expect at the end of July? Hot and humid. That's Minnesota. We slept without the top on the tent for the first time ever. The walls are tall enough that you can change in there and nobody will see anything. And I was all worried about that thing. I thought it was broken because when I was on my beach trip with my mom, it wouldn't stay upright. One side just was really having a hard time. So I don't know if I just set it up incorrectly or what, but it seems to be working great. Oh my gosh, I actually got it working, except one of the little prongs, I don't know if you can see it, is not down all the way. Looney's just lounging around having a good morning. I can't believe I actually got it working. I'm very happy. You can see how good that looks. What are you doing?
Oh, man. Time after time, when your name's Baby Monk and you got a butt. All right. Mark? We got chokies.
She's got chokies. Tony, really?
Oh, it's a big bug tent.
Yeah.
It's completely over the table.
That's a. Oh, that's Quest. That's Dick's Sporting Goods brand.
That's a big one. Oh, the one you have is a little cramped with 4 people, but it works. That's the cup plate. Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Oh, they're doing this giant mop. Well, you just have one. You're a mop.
Oh, so they'd always be out?
Yeah, you're a mop.
I don't like that. But I'm also a lady.
Yeah.
I'm a lady.
Yeah, mop in it. And lasers would be the other eye.
What kind of creature would you? Whoa, lasers. No.
No, we don't live there.
This is the situation. It's 87 degrees and we are going to sit in some pools. Is it over the top? Yes. Is it necessary? No. Is it fun? It's gonna be. Lots of acorns in there.
The creek hums a tune, a sweet little song. The pine trees sway as I walk along. The sun winks down through the tall oak's crown. I'm alone out here, but I'm never let down. The breeze is my friend, it whispers my name. The sparrows and I, we're playing a game with the sky so wide and the earth below me. I'm alone in nature, but never lonely. The daisies nod as I pass on by, their heads held high toward the open sky. The crickets chirp in a soft serenade. I've got all I need in this green parade. The breeze is my friend, it whispers my name. The sparrows and I, we're playing a game with the sky so wide and the earth below me. I'm alone in nature, but never lonely. The river laughs as it tickles the shore. The wind tells a tale that I just adore. Every rustle and ripple is music to me, a symphony born from the wild and free.
It's playing with my camera.
I'm out here on the range in 1848. Pretty hard being a cowboy in these parts. Had some beans for dinner. Well, they were alright. I get lonely out here sometimes. Hearing the coyotes sing and seeing the stars makes me, really feel like I'm a small person in this world. But I am an outlaw on the run. Can't tell you what I did. It ain't too good. Sheriff's been looking for me for a couple months now. That is a crime. I'm sorry. I had to do it. Flush.
Oh. highly recommend this thing. You're helping? Are you supervising?
Yeah, she's like the foreman of the campsite.
She's a foreman.
Foreman of the campsite.
She's sheriff at home. She's the boss of the campsite. She's a good supervisor. Just so you guys know. In case you need one.
She keeps things moving smoothly.
Yeah.
She's a great problem solver.
We have this Coleman queen size airbed with a cot. The mattress is now a Quest because the Coleman did not last very long. This mattress, however, that I got for $20 fits perfectly and has lasted quite a while. I normally put a rug down, but it was so hot, so didn't do that. We slept without the top on. In fact, let's get this. This is my favorite lantern. I think it's like $42 on Amazon. My mother-in-law got it for me. Highly recommend it. It's very, very bright. It's got 3 modes of brightness. Takes D batteries, so you don't have to worry about recharging it. You just got to bring the batteries. It's very heavy, so probably not good for backpacking unless you think it's worth the wait. This light is on. There we go. This one also got on Amazon. Not a big fan of it. It's an okay night light. It's not very bright. So, in case you guys are wondering, this campsite was number 79. It's very shaded. It's close to the porta potty outhouse. We have a fairly big tent, so enough room for that. Lots of trees. You could definitely put some hammocks up in here. Highly recommend this one. Wild River State Park, number 79. That's it for our camping trip at Wild River State Park. We had a great time just relaxing and exploring. Thanks for coming along with us. If you haven't seen it yet, check out my bubble tent camping video from December, also at Wild River. It was cold, snowy, and really fun. See you in the next video. Bye!